Hey YouTube, it's Sean again, and Katie's washing the car with this old antique little pressure washer. Seems to work all right. Bought this so many years ago I can't even remember. It's a little 1300, but I got a gas one, but this one works really good for washing the car.
Hi YouTube.
All right. Washing up the Honda.
It's filthy.
She's got the spin brush on there. It has a... Let's see that brush. Pull the trigger.
It spins.
Yeah, it has a motor in it that spins. All right, go for it, girl. She's having a good time getting all the grums off the car. All right, YouTube. She's having a good time. That's good. Something to do, huh? Beautiful day here in Oregon. It's like
Mommy said it was 80.
close to about 80. Working really well. Weather's cooperating with us for a while. Alright YouTube, catch you later. I just thought you'd like to see what Katie's up to. Guys, take care. Bye. Say bye YouTube.
Bye.